So whenever we have tension, it's a nice practice every now and then to use a bandage. So the bandage is going to go, I'll show you how to put it on. So you have start on one side, and then you'll just bring it around. Not too tight. And you pull it over, and then start wrapping the head. Okay, and I'm finally going to be wrapping my eyes, but I'm going to have just a little area that I can pull down a little bit so that it takes the light away. All right, so you wrap it around. You don't want pressure on your eyes. If you do have a headache, you can take the bandage, and if the headache was on this side, you can turn it. So there's a little knot there. And then take the bandage around again and tuck it in. Okay, so basically like that. Not too tight, but tight enough that it's going to stay on your head. And you can bring your bandage down. Okay, so like that. So now I'm going to slide it up a bit, just so I can get the props that I need. So we're going to use a bolster. And we can sit on a blanket. Okay, so here I have my bandage on. I'm sitting in Dandasana, and I'm going to use the bolster on the legs. But first I'm going to take my right leg back, out to the side, Janu Sirsasana, and then I'll come forward. So this bandage is a nice thing to use whenever we're doing some forward bends. So here we'll be doing quite a few forward bends. So have that bolster. If this is too low for you, depending on your bolster and your body condition, you can have it higher. You can even use a chair and just come forward and rest your arms on the chair. So here, I'll use the bolster. So you take what you need. And I'm lengthening forward. And now I'm going to bring that bandage down. And then rest my forehead right on my forearms. So here you can breathe into the back body. Observe the abdomen. Feeling the breath is relaxed. And feeling that you have enough support. If you don't have enough support, then, as I said, you can have the chair and bring your head onto the chair. Extending through this straight leg, extending the heel, drawing the toes back. And because that right knee is bent, there's a tendency for the spine to move over to the right side. Slide from the left side to the right side, so you're facing over that extended leg. Let your head release completely from the back to the front. Let any kind of tension in your neck release. Releasing your jaw. Passive breath. A few more breaths here.